What is going on, everybody? Cryptos here. Hope you're all having an amazing day today. Now, the purpose of today's video will be to try to determine whether Bitcoin and altcoins have found a bottom. Now, these past couple of days have been pretty crazy. Bitcoin's just been breaking below every significant support levels, and now it seems like we finally we've caught a breather, and we can definitely see a nice, V bottom recovery on the Bitcoin chart right now. Now, I want to show you guys the bigger picture. Let's go back to the daily chart. I have been taking a look at this. I've been monitoring closely this daily falling wedge on the Bitcoin chart, and I really thought that we would have seen a breakout somewhere here, and we actually did. It started, but it was a fake out, and then price just got hammered down, and it's been pretty hectic watching this develop. But one thing about falling wedge patterns, they are bullish formations, but many times, actually more common than you would think, they do break to the downside, and then they kind of try to work their way back in the structure before eventually breaking to the upside. So that is something that is very common on the Bitcoin chart, and if we can manage to find our way back inside this falling wedge, this is definitely something that I will, be looking at. Now, obviously, actually, this video is going to be about XRP. I just wanted to, cover Bitcoin quickly, because, nothing really goes up while Bitcoin is going down. So we always have to do our Bitcoin analysis. Now, on the bigger time frames, if you guys have been following me, you will know that the 21-week moving average and also the 50-week moving average they are both my my favorite indicators for determining whether crypto is in a bull or a bear market. Now, you can definitely see that we have been pushed very far below these indicators. We have that one, the yellow line, and the black dots. Now, typically when that happens, when we are this far below, although this could very well be a bear market, I mean, to me, Bitcoin is in a bear market until it can reclaim and just get comfortable above these two levels. So as we can see, every time we are pushed so far below the 21-week moving average, we are brought back up to retest it. Now, although this could still very well be a bear market, we can still see Bitcoin rally to retest these levels, especially since they are near 50,000, which is an extremely important and also psychological level. I think it's very likely that we can see Bitcoin start to get on a rally to retest these levels before actually getting rejected, and potentially it's very likely that we see it make new lows, guys. So it's the same way in an uptrend. Bitcoin constantly retests the 21 MA and keeps on pushing higher, and now the same will occur for the downtrend, guys. We will retest it and keep on making lower lows unless we can reclaim it. Now, like I said, this video is going to be about XRP, so let's get right into it, guys. So right here, this around the 50-55 cent level is an extremely important support level for XRP, guys. And now, as we can see, every time XRP has visited that level, we saw a very strong reaction right there, and potentially the same thing could be happening again right now. Now, I always mention that in a downtrend, I think that our best bets to kind of, find a bottom are descending diagonal supports, guys, and these ones have been two important ones that I had drawn out on my chart for a couple of weeks, and both of them, they meet up at the exact same spot also, which is the exact same level where you have this critical support. And guys, so far prices are bouncing here, so I think that it is very likely that XRP did find a bottom. Now, something else that I found, if we look at the VPVR, so basically this is the volume where you can see at different price levels where we had the most volume showing up on the chart. Now, look at this, guys. We are at the highest VPVR level since November of 2020, guys. So this level has been extremely important for XRP in the past, and I am expecting it to remain just like that, guys. So I think that this is a very bullish signal. If XRP gets comfortable below that, I think we can just kiss this bull run goodbye. But as long as we're holding above these levels, I think that we can see the price of XRP really go on a nice rally. Now, let's just take it to another chart, which is, a completely different perspective. I have been watching this huge daily falling wedge on the XRP chart. And again, if the price, this is what I'm watching. I'm watching for a retest between, 68 to 70 cents on the XRP chart. But if we can really just get back inside of this falling wedge structure and get comfortable, I think we could still see an XRP breakout, guys. Now, there are, of course, a lot of, critical resistance levels. We will have to, take it and watch it one day at a time. But, this is our first step. I want to see XRP get back inside of this structure. And I think so far it's pretty safe to say that this 55-cent bottom is going to hold, guys. So we will be monitoring it closely. Please follow me on Twitter, like and subscribe, and drop a comment in this video. It will be greatly appreciated. I will catch you on the next one.